Hey, once again, welcome back to another graphic design tutorial. And yes, I never really start my videos this way, but because this is the third time creating this very same video for this very same design, first time didn't even press record because honestly I wasn't really trusting the process. I was kind of in doubt. And the second time I did hit record, I felt good about it until it was all over and I realized nothing recorded. And this right here is the third time. I said all this to say this because even with the third time, there was so much turbulence, so much in and out, so much pauses, like so much stuff was going on. And I just want you guys to bear with me. I still did it. I still showed up. Didn't quite show out, the way I would have liked it to, but bear with me. Okay, that was a mouthful. Okay, so now that I said all that, let's get right into this here grad design. And I noticed you guys like the last ones. So, I came up with another design. So hopefully you guys feel the same way about this too. Let's get right into it. Going into elements, and we're going to search line star stamp frame. Since this is take 3, all the elements are already loaded in my Canva. So I'll just be clicking through them as we go, and you'll see the names on the screen. So for this, I dragged the line frame to the center of the canvas. Now the goal is to fill up the canvas with all the elements of this design. So pull it wide and long, but don't let it bleed off the canvas unless you want that look, because naturally it will just crop out the elements. Next, click text on the side panel and type 2025 vertically. Click edit, and now we're adjusting the space. To do this, click between the 2 and the 0 and adjust the spacing until you get a little gap. Then repeat that for 2 and 5. Position that along the left side of the canvas. Stepping into elements, we're going to search roses and pick one for the background. Then you're going to drag and drop that into the star frame. Let's grab a graduation hat silhouette from elements. Because it's a photo element, we can't recolor it the usual way. So we're going to go into edit, go to duotone, and set both colors to white. Next, head into edit, go to effects, outline, slide the thickness all the way to the right, then color pick from the row to create a cohesive vibe. I'll drop the hex code on screen if you want to use my exact match, but feel free to pick your own. Next, search for graduation diploma with ribbon. Pick your favorite and place it at the bottom right of the frame. Now it's time to grab your loved one's photo, remove the background, and position it centered inside the frame. If it tries to merge with the frame, just use your arrow keys to reposition it without snapping. In order to blend the edges, we're going to search abstract red smoke swirl and layer 3 of them around the photo to smooth out the lines and to give it a more professional blended finish. So for this step, we're going to search Polaroid photo frame. You're going to duplicate and resize 2 of them, place them on the side, and use layers to drag the frames behind the main photo. Add extra diploma illustrations or hats behind the frames to keep the energy flowing across the layout. So this part just goes hand in hand with the Polaroid frames. We're just gonna grab your loved one's favorite photos or moments of the year or the graduation, and then you're gonna just place them into the frame. So this all depends on when you decide to create the shirt. So if it's before grad, then you can use memories from during the year. If it's after grad, then you can use the photos from, the favorite moments of your loved one's graduation. Okay, so now we're gonna go to elements and we're gonna search graduation hat with scroll, and you're gonna slide it right between the 20 and the 25 of the vertical text. Going back into text, we're going to type congrats and we're going to change it to red, and then we're going to go to effects and we're going to go to curve to fit it into the arc of the hat. The name of the font that I'm using is called 210, but you can use whatever works best for you. Repeat the same process with the word graduate. Lastly, write your loved one's name in script font and place it above the design as a final touch. And just like that, it's a wrap. We've made it to the finish line. Despite all the delays, the tech issues, and the turbulence, I really hope this design brings your grad some joy. If you try this out, tag me or drop a comment. I'd love to see your take. I'll be back with more creative projects, small business tips, motivation, and design tutorials, making sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. I'll catch you later, Novelty fam. Stay soft, keep dreaming, and let's continue to build the life we love. I'm out.